Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a crochet braid transformation on my old crochet braid, which is the hair right here. So if you want to see and know how I achieve it, please keep watching. So I've already detangled the rest of the hair, so I detangled the hair and then twist it and put it away, so that will allow me to work on the rest of the session. So right here on this session I'm starting the combing from the tip of the hair, and I'm gonna work my way towards the root of the hair. So now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and twist it and put it away, so that will just to get out of the way while I work with on the rest of the hair on the back section. So right now I've already braided the back section, so this is the last space on the front, so I'm just unraveling the twist. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my hot comb. So I set the hot comb into low heat, not high heat. I set it into low heat. So right now I'm going ahead to brush the hair to make sure it's tangle free. So after that I'm gonna go ahead and separate this section into 3 in order to do the braid. So now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and do the braid. So right here I'm picking this section as if just like I would do when I'm doing a single buzz braid. So by doing it this way, we make the roots of the hair tight, and you get the really defined coils on the roots. And then so I'm gonna do the braid all the way to the tip of the hair. So once I decide to get to the tip of the hair, I'm gonna loosen the tightness of the braid on the tip of the hair. So for this next step, you will need 2 towels, one to put over your shoulder and the other one to dry off the excess water on the hair. So right now I'm just going ahead to dip the braid into hot water, and after that I'm going to go ahead and take my towel and dry out the water. So I've dipped the whole hair into water. So right now I'm just going ahead to dry off the excess water from the tip of the hair. So after that, right now I'm going ahead to unravel the braid. So at this point the hair is still wet, it's not dry yet. So I'm just unraveling the braid first before hold on. So I've unraveled the braid. So before separating the coils, I'm gonna take my hand dryer and go ahead and dry the hair. You can let it air dry if you want, but I just want this process to be faster, so I'm using the hair dryer. So right now the hair is fully dry. I'm just going ahead to separate the coils by running my fingers through it just like that. So right now I'm taking my hair oil, so I'm just gonna apply it on a little bit on my palm, rub it together, and then apply it on the hair. So to darken the roots of the hair and also to get the ombre effect look, I'm going in with a black instant root concealer spray. So, and also I'm going to be using a straw to cover the middle part, so that way it doesn't stain my scalp. So to spray the hair, I just put the straw in the middle right there. So right now I'm going ahead to spray the roots and also move it a little bit down to really get that ombre effect. So, and also this spray is not a permanent spray. It come off once you use a shampoo to shampoo your hair. So even though if you have a little bit of stain on the scalp, it will come off once you shampoo the hair. So after spraying the roots of the hair, right now I'm going back in with my hand dryer to dry the spray. So to make sure it's dry. Right now you can see I'm checking if it's fully dry or not. So it's dry, so that's it. So guys, this is the finished result of the crochet braid transformation right here. I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one.